Hello. Today is episode 42 of Kajabi in 5 minutes, and I'm loving that because I'm a fan of Douglas Adams' books. And I've got a special announcement to go along with it. So, you may or may not know, but on the 23rd, just a few days from now, it is Creator Day, which is a new day started in 2021, and it's to celebrate creators and the influence that they have in our lives and the awesome things that they create and do. Now, Kajabi is a huge part of the creator economy. The platform provides all the tools that creators need to start an online business. And so Kajabi is doing something special for Creator Day. They are releasing a mega awesome big promotion. It's one of their best promotions they've ever done. 3 months of Kajabi for $99. This has been just really one of the best promotions they've ever done. So it's happened in the past and it's happening right now. Starting today, you can get Kajabi for 3 months for $99. And there really isn't a better deal that comes around. So that's the news, and that's great. Now, most of you, I'm guessing, already have Kajabi, listening to this to get Kajabi tips. There's no tips here in this episode today. It's just an announcement about that. But if you do know somebody who may be interested in trying Kajabi out, now is a great time. Instead of just being able to give them a 30-day free trial, which is kind of a short time to, squeeze in all of the things you want to explore with Kajabi. If they sign up with one of my affiliate partner links, they can get 3 months for $99. And that is, a little bit of money out of their pocket, but they get a long time to really just use Kajabi and try it out. And so that is great and worth sharing with them if they're interested. And you can find links to get access to this promotion in the description or the show notes, wherever you're listening or watching this podcast. Now, as an affiliate of Kajabi, I give people free support when they choose to sign up to Kajabi through one of my links. So first of all, I'll give anyone that signs up 30 days of one-on-one support over Voxer, basically free tech support, dedicated tech support. And so instead of having to search blogs or videos or podcasts trying to get questions answered, with Voxer, you can just literally message me and speak into the phone and give me a message about what your question is, and I'll give you a very specific and detailed response. I can help you understand all of the features of Kajabi and how they work, and which ones you use to do something like, build your email list or start a lead magnet. Or I can give you like nitty gritty help on like, how do you move this image over there or change this so that it's, the other way. Because sometimes those, buttons are hard to find, and I know where they are. So Voxer help for 30 days works awesome. I've also just released a self-paced course that has some tutorials about how to do certain things in Kajabi and answer some questions and goes over some basic settings to kind of look at right in the beginning of your account. And you get that as well. And I also give you a 30-minute strategy session, right in the beginning when you sign up. Kajabi's got a lot of features, and we'll just chat for a bit to get so that I can know really what you're looking at as far as wanting to use Kajabi for. And then we'll just dive into those areas. I'll give you a little tour. I'll show you what to focus on and what to ignore. And that kind of gets you off onto the right start. So those 3 bonuses are free for you if you decide to sign up for Kajabi using one of my links to get this great promotion or any other deal, or even just the regular 30-day free trial that I can always give you as a partner of Kajabi. So if that is interesting for you, you can find more details in the description. You can go to my website, thecoachsupport.com, or you can message me. I'd love to help you get to know Kajabi better, and if it's right, to help you use it. So that's what I have for you today. The announcement of Kajabi's promotion, celebrating Creator Day, starting right now. It's going to be going until May 23rd. And if you are thinking about Kajabi, now is a great time. You can get 3 months for $99.